This is Mike Smith at Burlington City Auto Group in Gordon, New Hampshire. And if you deliver, I'd like to let you know that Ford delivers the Transit Connect. We're going to take a look at this vehicle together. Slide doors on both sides. Private layer is unimpeded by all kinds of things that take up usable space. So it's square, it's deep, and it's tall. Space like those on the block. All the way around, which means you can execute back loading or unloading. Not flush. Again, flat space. Okay, another thing, we have reverse parking sensors, so you can back it up, you don't have to get into something. Wide side door on this side as well. Both sides and the passenger area. One last place I'd like to show you is from the driver's seat. Other things, interior is outstandingly roomy. You have a tilt and telescoping steering wheel with huge travel. You have the regular creature comforts, available power windows. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD, and your regular air conditioning controls and all that. Plus, Ford has an interesting option in available work solutions where you have an onboard computer that helps you do your work management. Little things. Shelf on top for your paperwork. Armrest. It's adjustable. Life is good. Thank you very much.